got to enjoy a very lovely overnight at a hot spring in Shimoda at the bottom of Izu Peninsula, about 100 miles from Tokyo. We took this fantastic limited express called Ogoniko from Yokohama all the way down to Shimoda. Shimoda is not too far, and the peninsula is not too far. And on the train, we enjoyed many lovely local delights like this sashimi, and we drank wine and sake all the way down. Had a lovely time. When we arrived, we got to enjoy the hot springs from the roof of the hotel, which included a view of the bay, and at twilight, and then again in the morning at sunrise. Hope you'll enjoy the same thing sometime.